Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL 300 exam series. This is your host Apka Consultant bringing you episode 21 on the topic customs column in Power BI desktop. So, those of you who have not followed this series, I request you to go through the playlist which will pop up right here, and you can watch all of the 20 episodes which are part of this playlist in covering I'm covering as part of this practice set. So, that being said, let's go to the question number 21. It says you are analyzing a data set stored in a CSV file where each entry records a customer service interaction. The dataset includes a date time recorded column that timestamps each interaction in the format YYYYMMDDHHMM, basically year, month, date, hours, minutes, to effectively assess the service interactions by date and to leverage Power BI's date hierarchy for in-depth analysis. What is the recommended course of action? Option A, implement a text to column split using space as the delimiter, then convert the resulting date column to date time type. Option B, modify the date time recorded columns data type directly to date time. Option C, create a custom column to parse the date and time information from date time recorded, then set its type to date time. Option D, utilize the extract function to retrieve the date part from date time recorded and convert this new column to date type. So these are the four options. I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution for this question. Your time starts now. So time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So basically it's option B. You can directly change the data type to date time where it will capture all of the date in the format given in the question, and you can do your analysis accordingly. So that date type is available in Power Query Editor. I will also demo it to you in the form of Power BI Desktop. So let's go to the explanation of this question. So this slide talks about why four options, out of which option B is correct. You can go through this information, pause the video here, and improve your understanding on this topic. So this is on explanation. On the next slide, we have the resources. I am following this course from Udemy titled Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst for PL 300 certification exam. Next is the Microsoft Learn article on custom columns, which we will look just now. Let me go to the next screen and see the article. So we have this article on Microsoft Learn, basically covering how to add custom columns in Power BI. I will also add this link in the video description as well. So basically, what you need to do is go to the Transform Data tab, click on Custom Columns in the Power Query Editor, and create a column name, create the formula for your custom column. If you see no syntax errors, then you can press OK, and then the custom column will be created. If you see an error, then you have to rectify it. Then you have to press OK, and in the applied steps, you can see the custom column will be edited. You have an option of editing the custom column with the help of advanced editor, which you see the option in view tab, and this is the M function available in Power Query. You can directly edit here, and the steps will be applied automatically. So this article in details talks about the functionality and nuances of custom column. You can go through this in detail, and I am sure each and every question that is coming on this topic will be covered with the help of this article. So that is on this article. Let me now go to the Power Query and explain it to you how to add a custom column and perform operations. So I have this table called employee where I have data like employee ID, first name, and last name, age, state, ethnicity, etc. I have this column called date. Let me show it to you. So it's a column called hire date, wherein employees are hired, that date is given, right? We have the date in the format DMYYYY. So as per the question, we can obviously change the format to date time. What it will do is add the timestamp to the date, so that functionality is available in case your data already has date in this format. You can use this date type and perform your operations, right? So yeah, that is one. And next thing is, now let me create a custom column. So what you need to do is go to add column, click on custom column. Let's say I want to extract year from this date. So I will name the column as year. I will use this function called date dot year, and put this column name higher date, so there is no syntax errors. Press OK, and voila, you have this custom column created which is called year, which have the year from the higher date. And now you can, click go to home and close and apply, perform your operations. And in case you want to see the advanced editor, you can go to view tab, go to advanced editor, and you can also change the things from here, right? Let's say you want to change the column name, you say you want to write new year, something like that, but that is things you can do from advanced editor as well. Click done. So yeah, that name will be changed. So yeah, these are the operations you can do on custom columns. And yeah, that covers this topic. I hope you are following up with me and improving on preparing for this exam. So yeah, that is on today's video. I hope that you will come back on the next day as well. Thank you for watching.